Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Harrison County in east central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, Carroll County in east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dover, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in power outages. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Uricksville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Denison, Bolivar, Seal, Midvale, Mineral City, Jewett, and Birdholes.
Where in the hell
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll and Tuscarawas,